So the fish we're using today is called granta. So we've marinated the fish with 2 teaspoons garlic, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Okay, so I've added in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the marinade. This is only so that when frying, the spices don't move away from the fish or separate from the fish. So we've added in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and now we're adding in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So this is our marinated fish, and we will leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, start frying the fish. So the fish that you had marinated earlier, start to fry that. So we are frying the fish 5 minutes on either side, and then we will remove it from the oil. So now we are just removing the fried fish and leaving it in a casserole dish. So to the grated tomato, add in 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Add in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also add in 1 teaspoon of garlic to your tomato mix. So we've added the fenugreek seeds to the oil. Okay, so now you're just going to braise the onions. So to the onions, we added in our tomato mix. So we are also keeping aside 2 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. So add in the tamarind sauce with 1/2 cup of water into the pot. Okay, so now we are placing the fried fish into the gravy. Wow, doesn't that look stunning already? Yum! So that's all the fried fish in the gravy. So this is a mixture of 1/2 teaspoon jeera, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, roasted and crushed. So we're just going to take 1 teaspoon of that and keep it aside. And we've just added in a few sprigs of curry leaf and the roasted cumin and fenugreek seeds that we roasted earlier. And then just leave this to simmer for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is what your fish curry would look like.